Hey everyone! On the Valwar channel today, I'll show you how to remove apps that won't uninstall on Android. To do this, we need to go into Settings and find the app called Admin. Well, Device Admin Apps. Yes, you can just type admin in the search, like so. And here you'll find the admin apps and devices. You need to go into Privacy. Special, here's Privacy and Security. Let's take a look here. Here are the special permissions. And here we have, as you can see, the admin apps and devices. Go in and disable everything that might prevent us from removing or uninstalling the app. Yes. Now, as an example, let's go into the apps that we have here. Here are the apps. And I'll find some kind of Google thing there. Play Store, for example, yes. And you can tap it here to disable it. You can also delete all updates and clear the data. That's all. This was Valwar. See you.